ki scientist ka ICAR NBPGR New Delhi kilawan ban a Jinghikia ki Nongrep kathan West but East and West Khasil district haka Jingelang ka Penlong daga Nongstoin Social Service Society NSSS Hanongstoin katay ka Jingelang ka Penlong daga NSSS kalong ru ban a Jinghikia ki Nongrep Halor ka phang biodiversity fair complant genetic resource kabadai ru hapo ka North East Hill scheme kababay tingka daga ICAR NBPGR Regional Station Shillong. Dr. SK Malik, Nodal Officer NEH Scheme, ICAR, NBPGR, New Delhi. Ulwan Banlong kum ukong san hakate ke Jingelang. Harangkat ke Jingdon Langru Dr. PK Singh, Head Division of Germplasm Exploration, ICAR, NBPGR, New Delhi. Dr. Harish, Body Scientist ke ICAR, Regional Station Shillong. Padar James Anderson's Imli, President ke NSSS bat kiway. Kiladon hadu kumbaar sepasan pungut Nongrep kibrangathan East and West Khasil District kiblawan banishim ta te Jingelang. Haka bakilayo pediang ru igitiar naka ICAR NBPGR kiba kentup ya katarpar ke pomban siat dawai upai majrong kapla ban kit jingkit ketupia dasni bat kiway kabelakot kumba khat saulak tingkai
different people. So one disease cannot kill all people because we are different. If we are same, if we belong to only one tribe, then we would have been died at the one stroke. So it means what? The diversity, difference is required. So same way we in the plants also. In crop field variety, field crops also there are diversities. So we need diversities like this. So if these are lost, then one disease will kill us in one stroke. So can you translate? So these are the varieties which we require for breeding new varieties like Ranjit. These varieties we need for creating a new varieties. So that's why our station, our institute, what we do is we collect all this germplasm and keep it safe for 100 years in a scientific way. So there are so many stories in the past, like Irish famine, where potato was grown in Ireland. So one disease came, plague of potato. It killed all the people. Even people migrated from Ireland to USA and other parts. Same way coffee rust in Sri Lanka. So there was a coffee growing. They were growing coffee for a wide stretch of land. So the coffee rust came and whole Sri Lanka is shifted to tea. So that way there are so many Bengal famine. It came and whole Bengal was starving during 1944. So such way there are so many things which we need to take care.